Make money on Amazon in 2024. 16 top methods. If you're worried that you've missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry. It's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy allow you to make money from home, in our opinion at Jungle Scout, the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce. In 2022, Amazon raked in $502 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. Wondering how to make money on Amazon? There are tons of great ways to do so with and without selling, so to help you find what method might work best for you, this article explores how to make money on Amazon with 16 proven and practical ways. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Become an Amazon affiliate. Become an Amazon influencer. Flip store-bought products with retail arbitrage. Flip online retail store products using online arbitrage. Handcraft your own items to sell on Amazon through Amazon Handmade. Sell your own shirts, hats, coffee mugs, and more through Amazon Merch on Demand. Sell items without owning any inventory by dropshipping. Sell used products in your home. Offer your services through Amazon Services. Work in one of Amazon's fulfillment or distribution centers. Join the Mechanical Turk program. Make money from homework as an Amazon representative. Deliver goods for Amazon. Why trust us? At Jungle Scout, we've helped hundreds of thousands of sellers succeed and change their lives with their Amazon businesses. Check out one of our case studies on Kim Meckwood of Click and Carry and how she built her Amazon business with the help of Jungle Scout. Want to learn more about selling on Amazon? Check out our complete guide. How to sell on Amazon. Want to complement your learning? Check out our top 9 ways to make money on Amazon from home ranked video guide below. Ready to learn how to make money from home? Let's get to it. 1. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2024 is still through private label sales using Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon FBA network. Around 59% of all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is a process of manufacturing a pre-existing item, preferably with product improvements, putting your branding and logos on it, and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to as white labeling or brand creation. The process has been around for years and is common in countless retail stores. Target's Mainstays brand and Walmart's Great Value are 2 examples of private label brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to ship and deliver your products typically in 2 days or fewer. What you likely know as Amazon Prime. This is how e-commerce business owners can list goods on Amazon and make money from the sales.